Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I will be talking about the smoke in Pakistan, a crisis, a challenge, and a call to action. So first of all, we will look at the definition of the smoke. That what is meant by smoke. So smoke is the air pollution that reduces visibility. The term smoke was first used in the early 19th century and it was used to describe a mixture of smoke and fog and it is grimy, dirty, smelly, and more dangerous than the smoke. Smoke was first common in the industrial areas and remains a familiar sight in cities today. Now we will look at the fact that how is the smoke formed. So pollutant from the automobiles factories are released into the atmosphere. Under certain conditions of the atmosphere, these particles remain suspended in the air. Suspended layer forms smoke. There are two types of smoke, sulfurous smoke and the photochemical smoke. Sulfurous smoke is also known as the London or the industrial smoke. It results from a high concentration of sulfur oxides in the air. It is caused by the use of sulfur bearing fossil fuels, particularly coal. Under right conditions, smoke and sulfur dioxide can combine with fog to produce industrial smoke. In high concentration, it is extremely toxic to humans and the other living organisms. Photochemical smoke is also known as the Los Angeles smoke. It develops when the primary pollutants, oxides of nitrogen and other organic compounds interact under influence of sunlight. This interaction produces mixture of hazardous chemicals that are called the secondary pollutants. Burning of fossil fuels like gasoline can also create photochemical smoke. This slide shows the differences between the industrial smoke and the photochemical smoke. This picture demonstrates that how the industrial smoke and the photochemical smoke is formed. So now, what are the effects of the smoke? So smoke is unhealthy to humans and animals. It can kill plants. It causes coughing and throat or chest irritation, worsening of asthma symptoms, difficulty in breathing and lung damage, heart failure. Smoke affects everyone differently and some people are more susceptible to its negative effects. Children, seniors, and people with asthma need to be especially careful on smoky days. So, what toxic smoke can do to the body? So, it can result in stroke, depression, heart attack, cardiovascular diseases, asthma, lung cancer, bronchitis, skin cancer, and damage to the nervous system. So now we will look at the condition and the scenario of this smoke in Pakistan. So, in recent years, smoke has become a problem for some cities in Pakistan due to the industrial and transport pollution, and it was observed in Lahore, and a high quality index was reported. So now, what are the precautions that need to be opted to hamper the impacts of the smoke and to lessen the effects of the smoke? So we should spend less time outdoors. Schedule your outside activities for the early morning or evening when ozone levels are low, and drive less and walk, bike, carpool, and use public transportation whenever possible. Do subscribe my YouTube channel for the informative videos and for the upcoming sessions and the lectures. To learn more about my work and for more updates, you can visit my website, and you can also contact me on the given number to book your sessions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.